If Google Chrome is not responding, freezing, or just completely stuck, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These are the same methods you can use on a Windows or Mac to get Chrome working again without guessing and without wasting time. We'll start with the quickest fix, then move into the more common causes like bad cache, broken extensions, graphics acceleration issues, and finally a full reset if Chrome still refuses to open properly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, if Chrome is totally frozen and the window won't close normally, you need to force it shut down using your system tools. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ES-Scan at the same time to open Task Manager. Look through the list until you find Google Chrome. Click on it once, then choose End Task in the top right corner. This fully closes Chrome, even if the browser is locked up and not responding to clicks. On a Mac, you can use Force Quit from the Apple menu if needed. Once Chrome is closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen it and check if the issue is gone. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If Chrome still keeps freezing, the next thing to try is clearing corrupted cache and cookies. Old or damaged site data can make Chrome hang when it tries to load pages, especially if one website is causing the problem over and over. Open Chrome again, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or CMD, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. Make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and test it again. This step often fixes random freezing, broken page loading, and slow browser behavior. Now, if Chrome works in some situations but freezes when you visit certain websites, an extension may be the cause. A bad or outdated extension can completely lock up your browser, even if everything else seems fine. To test this quickly, open an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press CMD, Shift, and N. Then try browsing the same websites you normally use. If Chrome suddenly runs normally in Incognito, that usually means one of your extensions is the problem. To fix that, click the three dots in the top right corner, hover over extensions, and click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all extensions first, then turn them back on one by one, testing Chrome after each one until you find the extension that is causing the crash or freeze. Once you find it, remove it or leave it disabled. Another common cause is graphics acceleration. Chrome can sometimes conflict with your computer's graphics drivers, which can lead to random freezing, blank windows, or the browser becoming unresponsive. To turn this off, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After turning it off, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart with the new setting applied. If the freezing was caused by a graphics issue, this can make a huge difference right away. If none of those fixes work, the last step is to reset Chrome to its default settings. This is a good option if a deeper settings issue or file corruption is causing Chrome to crash constantly. The good news is that this reset does not delete your bookmarks or save passwords. To do it, go back into Chrome settings, then click Reset Settings in the left sidebar. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. Chrome will then restore its original configuration and remove problematic custom settings that may be causing the browser to stop responding. After the reset, reopen Chrome and test it again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your browser running normally again. If Chrome is not responding on your device, follow the steps in order, because starting with the force close, then clearing cache, checking extensions, disabling graphics, acceleration, and finally resetting Chrome gives you the best chance of fixing it quickly. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.